to tell the trees from the wood. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun, ain't no fun at all. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun. My mama, she took me aside one day. She said, you better have fun while you play, 'cause someday you'll wake up and you'll be old, and all of your youth will have gone away. And you'll work in a factory and you'll earn your pay, and your fingers will rot and your mind will decay. You'll be happy, so happy with your family and house, but you'll never enjoy yourself. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun, ain't no fun at all. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun. Son of Charles Dickens and a little red hen danced to what you see like it was a sin. They tried to enjoy it, but they felt so guilty. Guilt won't allow you to enjoy a stolen apple. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun, ain't no fun at all. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun, ain't no fun at all. Joy without pleasure ain't no fun. Aurora borealis, the icy sky at night. Paddles cut the water in a long and hurried flight, from the white man to the fields of green, in the homeland we've never seen. They killed us in our teepees, they cut our women down. They might have left some babies crying on the ground, but the fire sticks and the wagons come, and the night falls on the setting sun. They massacred the buffalo, kitty corner from the bank. The taxis run across my feet, my eyes they turn to blanks. In my little box at the top of the stairs, with my Indian rug and a pipe to share. I wish I was a trapper, I would give 1,000 pelts to sleep with Pocahontas and find out how she felt in the morning on the fields of green, in the homeland we've never seen. And maybe Marlon Brando will be there by the fire. We'll sit and talk about Hollywood and the good things there for hire, like the Astrodome in the first TP. Marlon Brando, Pocahontas and me. Marlon Brando, Pocahontas and